there was only one problem. The oil for the menorah, this is the menorah, had to be specially prepared oil. However, they found oil only enough to burn for 1 day. It takes at least 8 days for the new oil to be produced. They decided that it would be better to light the menorah anyway, because at least the symbol of the light of God would shine forth immediately. To their amazement, a miracle happened. The oil did not last just for 1 day. It burned for 8 days until additional oil was available. And so, in December, this feast is celebrated by the Jews to remind them the miracle of the oil, as well as the victory God gave them to capture the temple. This year, it started on the 8th of December to the 16th. The feasts celebrated by the Jews have very deep spiritual meaning down to the little detail and carrying each part of it out. What we can take from celebrating this feast is to remember that our body is the temple of the Holy Spirit. If our body has been left ruined by neglect of the things of God and defiled by the idolatry in our lives, we must have it cleansed and restored in order that this body can be a true temple where the Holy Spirit is comfortable living in it, and we are able to worship God in spirit and in truth. The other thing we can take from celebrating this feast as well is to remind ourselves that Jesus is the light of the world, and he has also called us to be the light of the world.